Hi there, students. To bequeath. Notice, I think the Americans normally say to bequeath, but to me it's to bequeath, but I think both pronunciations are fine. And then the noun, a bequest. Okay, to bequeath, this is a legal term, meaning to give or leave something to somebody in your will. Something that comes through from a testament, a last will and testament. So this ring was bequeathed to me by my grandmother. Yeah. Let's see, this is quite a formal word or a legal word. And apparently lawyers use bequeath normally for personal property. When it comes to land or houses or real estate, then they use the word to devise, but this is just legal. So to bequeath, to give by will. His parents bequeathed him all their worldly goods. They handed them down to him when they died. Notice as well, you can use this verb to bequeath more figuratively, meaning to hand down to future generations. So I guess his parents bequeathed him a healthy respect for hard work. Or you could probably use it, I don't know, the furniture in this room was bequeathed to me by the last tenant. The last tenant left it and it was here, so I started using it. So this has got the idea of handing down to someone else. Okay, and then the noun is a bequest. So there were one or two special bequests in the old lady's will. She bequeathed the horses to the grooms, for example. I'm told that Pablo Picasso bequeathed most of his paintings and sculptures to the Spanish and French nations. I think that's quite a good thing. So to bequeath, to arrange for your money or property to be given to a specific person after your death. Okay, and this is to bequeath. That in itself is very technical and not very commonly used. Well, it's not a common situation, but let's see, we can use it figuratively to hand down. I wonder if British colonialization bequeathed anything positive to India. You could probably answer me that one yourselves. He bequeathed his students a love of the English language. So it's just a hand down. So these items were bequeathed to me with when I bought the car. They were in the car, so they came along with it. Okay, so notice, to bequeath, a regular verb. His parents bequeathed him their money. The money was bequeathed to him, so a regular verb. I'd give it probably 7 in formality, maybe even 7.5. I think more informally, just to leave. My granny left me this, and that's a much easier informal way of doing it. Okay, yeah. So just the verb to leave, which makes things a lot easier. Let's see, what about the origin? Well, there's a Middle English word bequeathen, and there's even an Old English word bequepant, to say, to speak, to leave by will, which comes with really from bequeath. Okay, so to bequeath, to leave something by will and testament, or to hand something down to transmit it. Maybe traditional stories have been bequeathed to us by our ancestors. They've been handed down over time. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bequeath.